mathematics class. This is for class 8 and in continuation with the previous chapter, that was chapter 14, factorization. Now today we will be discussing about exercise 14E, and in this we need to remember about the identity, that is difference of two squares. Now let us say a number is a, so its square minus a number b and its square, that is a square minus b square. This is always equal to a plus b times a minus b. Now how this identity came, or how this was calculated, you know, two brackets are there. It means first bracket is multiplied by other bracket. So what we'll do, we will check whether a plus b when multiplied by a minus b gives the same result, a square minus b square, or not. Now minus into plus is minus, b into b is b square. Minus b into plus a is minus ab, plus a into plus b is plus of ab, and plus a into plus a is plus of a square. Either you write or you don't write plus. Now we can see negative and positive, so they will cancel. While adding, we are left with minus of b square and a square. So we are getting the same value. It means now this formula you need to remember and memorize. And now we will be learning about how to use this formula, or what are the applications of this identity, that is a square minus b square. So you need to remember that a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Now the two exercises E and F are based on this formula. We are starting with exercise 14E, so we'll be doing questions in the multiples of 2. I am starting with the second question. Second question is x square minus 4. You have to factorize. Now you can see x square can be written as x whole square and 4 can be written as 2 square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square is a, that is x, plus b, that is 2, multiplied by a minus b, that is the final value. Now fourth question, p square minus 1. Now what is p square minus 1? P square can be written as p whole square, and 1 can be written as 1 square, because 1 square is 1 itself. It means this is again in the form of a square minus b square, can be written as a plus b and a minus b. So a is p, b is 1, so p plus 1 and p minus 1. P minus 1, that is the final value. Now sixth question. Sixth question is 16x square minus 25 y square. Can be 16 is the square of 4 and x square is the square of x, so we can make 4x whole square as 16. 16x square can be written as 4x whole square. Then minus sign, so minus 25 is 5 and y square is y, so can be written as 5y whole square. A square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. A is 4x plus b, b is 5y, and next bracket a is again 4x minus b is 5y. So always remember, we can write a square minus b square as a plus b and a minus b. Now we move on to question number 8. 8 is minus 64 plus 25 x square. Now this can be written as, we will write this first and this next. So 25x square, this can be written as 25 x square minus 64. Now 25x square can be written as 5x whole square minus 64 is the square of 8. So 8 square. This has been written in the form of a square minus b square, can be written as a plus b and a minus b. A is 5x, b is 8, so a plus b and a minus b is a is 5x minus 8 is the value of b. So a plus b and a minus b. Now we move on to question number 10. 10th is x to the power 4 minus 9. X to the power 4 can be written as x square whole square minus 3 square. So a will be x square and b will be 3. So this will be written as a plus b and a minus b. A is x square plus b is 3 and again a is x square minus 3. That is the value. Now if you want, this can also be broken as x plus root 3 and x minus root 3, but we are not doing this since I think that this will be much tough for you. So this is not in your, maybe in up to your standard, this is not there. So this is the final answer. Now let's move on to question number 12. 12th is x to the power 6 minus 16. Now x to the power 6 can be written as x cubed to the power 2. Though x to the power 6 can be written as x square to the power 3 or x cubed to the power 2. But why we took this value? Because we will apply a square. We have to make it as a square. So that is why it is written as x cubed to the power 2. Otherwise, it would have been written in this form also. But we need the value of, we need to apply the formula a square minus b square. This we need, so we wrote it like this. Then 16 is the square of 4. So 4 square. Now a plus b. A is x cube. X cube plus 4 and x cube minus 4. A plus b and a minus b. Now we have done up to 12. Next will be question number 14. Now question number 14 is 25x to the power 6 minus 49y to the power 8. Now x to the power 6 is also to be converted into the square form and y to the power 8 is also to be converted into the square form. 25 means 5 square. X to the power 6 can be written as x cube to the power 2. When you multiply 5 5 is 25, x to the power 6 minus 49 square is square of 7 is 49. So 7 and y to the power 8 can be written as y to the power 4 and then square. Now this can be written, this total is a and this total is b. We know a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. So this can be written as a. A is 5x cube 5x cube a plus b. B is 7y to the power 4 and a minus b, that is 5x cube minus 7 to the power 4. That is the final value. Now we move on to question number 16. X square y square. X square y square minus 0.81. Now we will find the root of 0.81. We know that 0.81 can be written as 81 upon 100 and if you take its root it will be 9 upon 10. 9 upon 10 can be written as 0.9. It means this 0.81. First x square y square can be written as xy whole square minus 0.81 root is 0.9. So can be written as 0.9 whole square. So this is a square minus b square can be written as a plus b. A is xy plus 0.9. A plus b and a minus b, xy minus 0.9. That is the final value. Next is question number 18. That is 16a square upon 25 b square minus x square upon 100 y square. So 16 can be written as 4, a square can be written as a. 4a whole square is 16a square and 25b square can be written as upon 5b. So this whole square minus x square means square of x, and 100y square means square of 10y. So square of x upon 10y. This is again in the form of a square minus b square, can be written as a plus b and into a minus b. So a is 4a upon 5b. A plus b is x upon 10y. A plus b and into a minus b. So a is 4a upon 5b minus b is x upon 10y. That is the final value. Now we move on to question number 20. 4p square upon 9. 4p square upon 9 minus 25 q to the power 4 upon 36. This can be written as 4p square can be written as 2p whole square. 2p square and 9 can be written as 3 square. So this total term becomes 2p upon 3 whole square minus 25 can be written as 5q to the power 2. Q to the power 4 can be written as q square whole square. Q to the power 4 can be written as q square whole square. So that is why 5q square upon 36 is square of 6. So this whole square, now it changed into the form of a square minus b square. So this can be written as 2p upon 3, that is a plus b plus 5q square upon 6. This is a plus b, and a minus b is 2p upon 3 minus 5q square upon 6, and that is the final value. Now we move on to the 22nd question. It has two parts, so I will be doing the second part. Now question number 22, second part I have taken. It is 4.987 into 4.987 minus 3.013 times 0.313 3.013 divided by 4.987 minus 3.013. If I assume let A is equal to 4.987 and B is equal to 3.013, you can see this is this same number into same number. It means square of this. It means you can say as 4.987 whole square minus 3.013 whole square upon 4.987 minus 3.013. If I take A as 4.987, it means this will become A square. 4.987, that is A square, minus 3.013. 3.013 is B upon B square, minus B square upon, this is A, this is minus, this is B, A minus B. We know that A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B, and in the denominator it is A minus B. It means A minus B cancel. What is left? Only A plus B is left. So similarly, this can be written as 4.987 plus 3.013 into 4.987 minus 3.013 divided by 4.987 minus 3.013. Now you can see A minus B and A minus B cancel. This is also A minus B and denominator A minus B. So this total value and this total value will cancel. And what will be left with? 4.987 plus 3.013. That here it was left, A plus B. So now we'll simply add them up. 7 and 3 10 0, 8 1 9 1 10 0, 9 1 10 0, 4 3 7 and 8. It means 8.000, or simply you can say the final value is 8. You will get the question as without actual multiplication. find the value of this. So it means you have to remember the formula and you need to know what is the application of this particular formula. Now we move on to the next exercise, that is 14F. That is also based on the same formula. Now I will be rubbing off the formula. I think you would have remembered it or written it. A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. So we move on to exercise 14E. Now exercise 14 F has 16 questions. So I'll again start with question number 2. In the multiples of 2 we will be discussing. 14F, now question number 2. It is 3x minus 2y whole square. 3x minus 2y whole square minus 9z square. Now you can see, if we consider this as a, this is already in the form of a square, minus 9z square has to be converted, so we can write 3x minus 2y whole square, that was a, 9 can be written as 3 and z square can be written as z whole square. Now this has converted into a square minus b square, and we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So this can directly be written as a. A is 3x minus 2y plus b, that is 3z, a plus b and a minus b. Again a is 3x minus 2y and minus 3 times of z. So this can be written, or if you want to beautify it, this can be written as 3x minus 2y plus 3z and 3x minus 2y minus 3z. This is the beautification of the answer, though this was the answer. Now we move on to question number 4. Question number 4 is 4x square minus 9 times of 2x minus y whole square. Now you can see that 4x square can be written as 2x whole square, but 9, this 2x minus y is already having square, and 9 can be written as 3 square. So first we'll convert it in the form of squares or difference of squares. So 4x can be written as 2x whole square minus 9 can be written as 3, and then 2x minus y and this whole square. We have put curly bracket. This means square of 3 as well as 2x minus y. Now this will be considered as a, and 3 times x minus y will be considered as b. Can be written in the form of a square minus b square, can be written as a, that is 2x plus b. B is 3 times of 2x minus y and a minus b. A is again 2x minus 3 times of 2x minus y. Now we will solve it because x is here and in this also x is here. So first we will solve it. This will be 2x plus 3 into 2x is 6x minus 3y. We have opened the brackets in the inside bracket. Then this second one is 2x minus 3 into 2 is minus 6x and minus plus 3y. So we know that 6x plus 2x will become 8x minus 3y, and here we can say 2x minus 6x is minus 4x plus 3y. This is the answer, or if you want, this can be written as 8x minus 3y and 3y minus 4x. Why? Because this negative I have just means 3 has come first and minus 4y has gone in the second. So that is the final value. Now we move on to question number 6. Let's see what is there in question number 6. AB square minus AC square. AB square minus AC square. This is not in the form of a square minus b square. We have to make it in the form of a square minus b square. So first of all, you can see there is something common. What is common in this? A. So we will take a common. What is left inside the bracket? B square minus c square. Now simply b square minus c square can be written in the form of b plus c and b minus c. So it becomes a times b plus c and b minus c. That is the final value. A square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. So like that. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is 3 minus 12b square. 3 minus 12b square. Now from this we can take 3 common. So what is left? 1 minus 4b square. It means that 3 is outside. Then we can write 1 as a square of 1 and 4b square can be written as square of 2b. So whatever is inside the curly bracket is in the form of difference of square, a square minus b square. So this only will be changed as a plus b and a minus b. So can be written as 3 times of 1 plus 2b. A square minus b square is written as a plus b and in one bracket a minus b. Now when you open the brackets, the curly brackets, this can be written as 3 times 1 plus 2b into 1 minus 2b. That is the final value. Now we move on to question number 10. Question number 10 is 2x square minus 1 upon 2. 2x square minus 1 upon 2. Now in this particular question, you can make out that nothing is common and nothing is in the form of a square or b square. So what we will do, if we take 2 common from here, I'll solve it here. It is 2 times of x square minus 1 upon 2. From this if you take 2 common, what is left? X square. But here you cannot take 2. Here you cannot take 2. So it should be what? At least this should be 2 upon 4, means 1 upon 2 is a fraction and 1 upon 2 can be written as 2 upon 4. We know that 1 upon 2 can be written as 2 upon 4 because both of them are same fraction and this is in the form of fraction. So from now you can take, means this can be written as 2x square minus 2 upon 4. What I have done, 2x square minus 1 upon 2 can be written as 2x square minus 2 upon 4 because 2 upon 4 and 1 upon 2 are same. They have same value. They are the same fraction. So it means now if I take 2 common from this and this, what will be left? X square minus 1 upon 4. And now we know that x square can be written as x whole square and 1 upon 4 can be written as 1 upon 2 whole square. So what we have done, we have taken 2 common and we are left with x square minus 1 upon 4. This is your explanation. Now from there can be written as x whole square and minus 1 upon 4 can be written as 1 upon 2 whole square. So a square minus b square can be written as a plus b and a minus b. So 2 times of x plus 1 upon 2 into x minus 1 upon 2 and that is the final value. 2 a square minus b square can be written as a plus b, a minus b and that is the final value. Now we move on to question number 12. Question number 12 is in the form of x to the power 4 minus 625. Now we know that x to the power 4 can be written as x square whole square. 625 can be written as 25 whole square. So now it is in the form of a square minus b square can be written as a plus b and a minus b. But you can see that x square is again the square of x and 25 is again the square of 5. So this particular term can again be factorized. So what we are writing, first term will be written as it is, but second term can be written as x square minus 5 square, like this. This can further be written as x plus 5 and x minus 5. So x square plus 25 and this is the form of a square minus b square can be written as a plus b and a minus b. So that is the final value. Now question number 14. It is x y to the power 5, x y to the power 5 minus y x to the power 5. Now this is very easy, you can make out. If I take y common from here, y to the power 4 will be left. If I take x common from here, x to the power 4 will be left. If I take x, y, so this x will vanish and this here y will vanish. So what I am doing, I am taking x and y both common from these two terms. Now one x was there, so one x is outside, so no x is left. Only y 5 were there, so y to the power 4 is left. Minus was there, so minus, y is already common and x has been taken common, so x to the power 4 is left. Now this term can be factorized or can be written as, first we are adding xy, now y to the power 4 can be written as y square whole square minus x square whole square. So it becomes xy, y plus x and y minus x. A plus b, a minus b. So y plus x and y minus x. Question number 16, the last one I hope, that is x plus 2y minus 5z. X plus 2y minus 5z whole square minus x minus 2y plus 5z. X minus 2y plus 5z whole square. This, if we consider this as a and the second term as b, this is already in the form of a square minus b square. So can be written as a plus b and a minus b. So a is x plus 2y minus 5z plus b is x minus 2y plus 5z. This is a plus b. In the second it will come a minus b. A is x plus 2y minus 5z minus, it should come as x minus 2y plus 5z. So this can be further written as, we will open the brackets and this will be further written as, now this is a plus b and this is a minus b. Now when you open these brackets, in the first one it will become x plus 2y minus 5z plus x minus 2y plus 5z. In the first, when a and b are added. So this is first one. And the second one was x plus 2y minus 5z, x plus 2y minus 5z minus x minus 2y plus 5z, x minus 2y plus 5z plus 5z. Now x plus x will give you 2x, plus 2y minus 2y will cancel, minus 5z plus 5z will cancel. So in the first bracket only 2x is left. Now let's see what is there in the second bracket. When you open the bracket, the sign inside the second bracket will change. So it is x plus 2y minus 5z. Now minus of x plus of 2y and minus of 5z. So minus x and plus x cancel. 2y plus 2y is 4y. 5z and 5z is minus of 10 times of z and multiplied by 2x. From this we can even take 2 common. So this will be 2x and 2 we have taken common. What is left? 2y minus 5z. So 2 into 2. Final value is 4x times 2y minus 5z. That is the final value. Now we have finished these two exercises, 14E and 14F. Whatever questions have been done here, you will do in your fair notebooks. The rest you will do in your practice notebooks. and in the next class I'll try to finish off with this chapter. One more identity is left. So by the time, stay home, stay blessed, stay healthy. Thank you. Have a nice day.